Can't tell you the excitement right now. It's my first international shipment which is arrived from the United States of America. I'm driving to the post office. They've levied a customs of around $100, which is coming to around 8,000 for a box of roughly 153 cars. So it approximately comes to around, what can I say, it's around $0.5, which comes to around 37 to 40 rupees, which is not bad at all considering the fact that it's coming all the way from there and there are some really nice rare cars in the box. So there's no reason to wait now. I'm gonna go out there and collect the box, paying the lady at the post office the customs charges. So let's see how this fares. Excited. Firstly, I have to thank a lot of my friends, starts with Ishwar and then SP sir, for helping me out. I was very concerned about how this is gonna turn out, but it looks like it's not too bad. Let's see how it works. It's the post office and we've reached the post office now. Since it's a pretty heavy parcel, I think I'm gonna leave my car here and then we'll collect the parcel and come back. The post office, we're gonna go there, collect the parcel and get back soon. Deepa ma'am is done for breakfast. We're waiting for her. She's supposed to be here anytime now. I can almost see my box. As you can see, the box is sitting right there. Been waiting for this box so long. It's finally here. Let's go home and open it. So finally our parcel has arrived from the US, and for all of you who had questions, I'm going to keep this mask on. So firstly, let us try and weigh this whole thing and let's see how heavy it is. So it's around 11 point, it's around 12 point 13 kgs. So 30 properly, hence the nose. So let's go about it. For those who wanted the exact size of this box, it is mentioned here. It's around 22 by 16 by 12. So that's the actual dimension of this box. So let's get into unboxing it now. Okay. Are you ready, darling? Okay. It's nicely sealed. I don't think customs even opened it. So that's some good news. They only mentioned these things here. And they gave me a little slip which mentioned that the customs was around 8,000 rupees.
Don't open this one.
These are these tin. Move back way. Don't touch me. These are these.
Really long. I have the entire series of these, and this is a beauty. I think I got one of these from Harsh as well. Let us see.
One of them. I have to see when this was.
These are the favorite I was waiting for.
Those are the two BRE Datsuns.
Yeah, we were waiting
Need a
for
pic
this,
of
huh?
this here. These are the loose wheels. I don't know how these were left here. Vedo, come here. I don't know when I purchased these. Looks quite different. These two came together.
Can I see?
1 second, don't touch.
Wow, can I-
Take. These were purchased. This again is one of the. This is a extra wheel lying here. I don't know if the box opened. Let us figure out. Ooh, this is the holy grail move. This is the holy grail. I've been waiting for this. Wait,
There's other
wait, when I'm
parts in
speaking.
it.
I know when I'm speaking, don't put your in between. Wait, though, 1 second. Don't speak when I'm speaking. This is the holy grail, what I've been waiting for. And there you go. I think this is the Japan Historics. Yes, that's the JH1 set. One of them. There are more. This. See this way too.
2 of 8, so we still have to see. Okay, keep this here with it now.
Wait on, we do one at a time, please. This is another set of FNFs. Let's get a pic of it. Oh, look at these. This is a lovely one. This Jeep. I've really been longing for this Jeep. And so I still have to take account of all these. Auction. Come this side.
Venue one. Ow!
A few bent cards, but I think that's understandable in international shipping. Details from another set. Let's just show this to the cam. Few bent cards, but that's. These are some lovely jails. Z-Max. Got some Ferraris in this. Been waiting for. And the hair splitters, one for you each. I want to see my JH1 soon. Because that is something I've been really longing for. Got 6 more here, I guess. I'll tell you later. First, you have to take a count. This probably gotten damaged. Let us see where these two jails. Wait, do that box. There's one more, man. Wait, second more.
This is it. So I watched this set many times. It's a Home Alone
Not
set.
now, wait, not now. Lovely old ones, the red wagon. It's a beauty. More Japan Historics and one of this. Submarine.
Where is it?
It is in your Stephen Maggie.
My yellow submarine.
Yeah.
Other yellow submarine and the other yellow submarine.
Yeah, see.
So what's in this packet? Okay.
These are here. Them all in the next consignment.
So we have a surprise for you and us also. Can I see?
The wheel out of this is missing, and so are the axles. I feel I know what went wrong with this. I'll have to check again. So that's the empty box. Can't seem to find that anywhere. That's the entire lot.